If you're seeing a Pixlr Timeout error, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you a simple step-by-step way to troubleshoot it and get back to editing fast. This issue can happen for a few different reasons, including browser cache problems, extensions, browser session issues, or even hardware acceleration settings. So instead of guessing, we're going to work through the safest fixes one by one. And before we start, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, before you troubleshoot anything, download a PXZ project backup. This is important because it gives you a safe copy of your work before you make any changes. If Pixlr is acting up or timing out, having a backup means you won't lose your project if you need to restart the browser or reopen everything from scratch. So save that PXZ file somewhere easy to find. Once the backup is downloaded, the next step is to test whether the issue is being caused by your browser cache or one of your extensions. The fastest way to do that is to open Pixlr in Incognito mode on Chrome or private mode on other browsers. This gives you a cleaner browser session with fewer background issues interfering with the editor. Open a private window, go back to Pixlr, and try loading the editor again. If the timeout error disappears here, that's a strong sign that something in your normal browser session is causing the problem. If it still times out, don't worry, we still have more fixes to try. Now that you've tested private browsing, open your PXZ backup in this fresh browser session and try exporting again. Since this session is cleaner, Pixlr may be able to load and process the project without whatever issue was slowing it down before. Open the backup, give it a moment to load fully, and then try your export again. If the file exports successfully here, then the problem was likely related to your original browser session rather than the project itself. If you're still getting the timeout error, the next thing to check is hardware acceleration in your browser settings. This setting can sometimes help Pixlr run smoother, but in other cases it can actually cause loading or timing issues depending on your device and browser. So if hardware acceleration is already turned on, switch it off and test Pixlr again. If it's already off, turn it on and test again. The key is to try both directions, because different systems react differently. After changing the setting, fully restart your browser so the change takes effect properly, then go back into Pixlr and see whether the timeout issue is gone. This step is especially useful if Pixlr freezes, loads slowly, or times out during export. In many cases, one of these fixes will solve the problem without needing anything more advanced. So to recap, first download a PXZ backup, then use Incognito or private mode to check for cache or extension problems, reopen the PXZ file in a fresh session and export again, and finally toggle hardware acceleration both ways until you find the setting that works best for your browser. If one of these steps fixes the timeout, you're all set and can continue working normally. If not, you now have a much clearer idea of where the issue is coming from. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.